What is going up, guys? Welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to change your spark plug on your dirt bike. So the tools that you're going to need is your spark plug, obviously, and then your spark plug wrench and common hand tools like removing the seat and all that. So let's get started. So first, I like to remove the seat just to be better. Up and then slide it off, then put that aside. And then you want to take your 9mm so you can remove your gas tank. Your spark plug is right here. So remove your top bolt. Once you got that, remove the gas tank strap, which is right here. Let me show you guys that. Which is this. You want to remove that, put it back. And there you go. Just leave it on there. And then make sure you keep track of all your bolts. You don't want to lose them. So then we're going to remove this bolt. Don't lose your washers. And then you're gonna go to the other side and do the same thing. And then you wanna get remove your shroud bolt right here. And then we're gonna go to the other side and do the same thing. Don't forget, in this bike, I might have to remove the petcock. So you want to unscrew that. There you go. Then you want to get your pull up on the gas tank, and it should come off. Hopefully you guys can see it. There you go. After you remove your gas tank, you want to set that aside, and then right here, you want to remove the spark plug boost. This is what gives spark to your, so it can run. You want to remove that. You want to get your spark plug wrench. In this case, I'm gonna need an extension, so I'm gonna use that. Drop your tool in and turn it, and make sure like that. And I'll use like turning it by hand. And once you do that, you might need to get some needle pliers so you can get it out. So get your needle pliers. Hopefully you guys can see. There you go. Hopefully you guys can see it. Then you want to remove that. As you can see, we got it. That's when you get your needle nose pliers. It makes it very easy to get it. So once you get them, get your new spark plug. This one is the one that I got straight from Honda. Compare, make sure they look the same and all that. In this case, they do. Your new spark plug, and then get your wrench, the one that you just got. So you want to drop it in. Turn it on. Once it's hand tight, you want to get your wrench, snug it down. Make sure it's snug. Don't over tighten it because you don't want to risk stripping it. And once you do that, get your sparkler booth and put it back in. Make sure you push it down so it actually gets sparked. Then that's it. Then you're gonna have to do everything else. Keep the gas tank on. Gas tank. Drop it in. And then get all the bolts and put them back on just like we did. So first top one, this one, and then where's my leak one? Always using the tool. Where's the fitting? Over here. And once you get that, you're gonna come up over here. Put the top one in. Snug it down, don't tighten it. Snug. Then you want to get your side ones, which is the one that has a little washer. Get your other one and put it on the other side. Just like that. Slide it down. Then we're gonna need these the side. So once you get those, you're gonna put them on. Lay it down. Once you do that, you want to put on your seat. So get your seat. And that's all it is. On 2-strokes, it's way more easier because you don't have to. It's a 2-stroke, not a 4-stroke. Just slide it up. Then put it in back here. There, you want to get your bolts. Put them in. The same thing. That's it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.